On December 23, 2024, a number of strategic contracts worth more than 3.74 billion euros were signed in Stalowa Wola, strengthening the position of the Polish armed forces. The deals cover the procurement of nearly 100 Krab self-propelled howitzers in 2 versions, as well as support vehicles for modules equipped with K9A1 Thunder howitzers. The first contract covers the delivery of 96 Krab howitzers to equip 4 artillery modules known as Regina, each consisting of 24 units. The first 2 modules, totaling 48 units, will be delivered in their current configuration. Meanwhile, the remaining Krabs will undergo significant upgrades, including an automatic loading system, C-Obra laser warning receiver, and Rheinmetall's ROSY soft kill protection. In addition, this latest variant of the Krab will also be equipped with a 360-degree observation system and a remote-controlled weapon station using a 12.7mm WKMBM heavy machine gun. The Krab cannon, a 155mm self-propelled howitzer, is designed and manufactured by Stalowa Wola, HSW, in collaboration with BAE Systems and Obram. Combining the South Korean K9 Thunder chassis with the UK's AS-90 Braveheart turret, the Krab is an extremely powerful modern artillery platform. Weighing 52 tons, the Krab is capable of firing NATO standard projectiles with a range of between 4.7 and 40 kilometers. The Krab's automatic charging system makes it possible to fire 3 rounds in less than 10 seconds, 6 rounds per minute for 3 minutes, or 2 rounds per minute in continuous operation. The Krab has a total capacity of 40 rounds and 48 loads, and is capable of traveling at a maximum speed of 67 kilometers per hour, and has a range of up to 650 kilometers. Equipped with welded armor, the Krab offers protection against small arms fire and shrapnel. The vehicle also features a range of advanced systems, including night vision for the driver, NBC, nuclear, biological and chemical protection, a navigation system, and the ZZCO Topaz fire control system. As a secondary armament, the Krab is equipped with a 12.7mm machine gun in the turret for close-range defense and a smoke grenade launcher for increased survivability on the battlefield. The Krab also made an important contribution in strengthening the artillery capabilities of Poland and Ukraine. In addition to the howitzers, a number of other support vehicles will also be delivered. These include command vehicles, WD, command and staff vehicles, WDSs, using light chain-wheeled chassis, ammunition supply vehicles, AWA, as well as repair workshops, AAWRU, based on Yelchi trucks. The total value of this contract is estimated at around 9 billion Polish zloty, with deliveries scheduled until the end of 2029, and includes a training and logistics package to ensure operational readiness. The second contract focuses on the procurement of support vehicles for modules equipped with K9A1 Thunder howitzers, with a value of almost 8 billion Polish zloty. The initiative aims to standardize the structure of artillery modules using Krab and K9 Thunder howitzers, ensuring operational and logistical consistency within the Polish armed forces. The agreement was signed by Brigadier General Artur Kuptel, head of the Armaments Agency representing the State Treasury, and Krzysztof Trofiniak, president of the Polish Armaments Group, PGZ, representing the contractors. Among those present at the event were Defense Minister Władysław Kosiniak-Kamysz, Deputy Defense Minister Paweł Beda, and Marcin Kulasek, State Secretary at the Ministry of State Assets, who is also the owner of PGZ. The contract is the largest in the history of Stalowa Wola. surpassing the previous record of 4.6 billion Polish zloty for 4 Regina modules signed in 2016. As part of a major effort to strengthen the country's defense, Poland significantly increased its defense budget for 2024, with more than 4% of GDP allocated, or around 32 billion euros. This makes Poland one of the countries with the highest defense budget among NATO members. These efforts aim to strengthen the capabilities of the Polish armed forces, including through new acquisitions such as 700 heavy infantry fighting vehicles to support American Abrams tanks, as well as negotiations for the procurement of 159 Borsuk infantry fighting vehicles to equip 2 mechanized infantry battalions. This move is part of Poland's long-term strategy to strengthen national defense and improve interoperability with NATO allies. In addition, Poland is also focusing on developing and modernizing its military forces to meet increasingly complex geopolitical challenges, especially in the Eastern European region. The country has drawn up an ambitious plan to improve the operational readiness of the Polish armed forces by renewing and strengthening various weapon systems and military equipment. The procurement of Krab and K9 Thunder is an integral part of this strategy, which aims to strengthen Poland's artillery capacity in the face of threats that may arise in the future. In this regard, the procurement of Krab and K9 Thunder Howitzers is expected to enhance long-range strike capabilities and strengthen the endurance and response speed of Polish artillery forces. Meanwhile, the support vehicles that are also part of this contract ensure that artillery systems can operate effectively on complex battlefields, with adequate logistical support, as well as optimal communications in the field. Poland also highlighted the importance of integration between the newly acquired artillery systems, including Krab and K9 Thunder, and the rest of the country's military equipment. With an emphasis on standardization, both in the structure of artillery modules and in logistics and operational systems, Poland hopes to create more efficient workflows, which in turn will enhance their ability to act quickly and appropriately in various situations.